Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I have had parcel post. I've got a happy mail. I've covered my address and the lady that sent it. Now this is from one of my friends. Her name's Terri Clarke and she sent a package already before. There is a happy mail on the channel from Terri already. Terri, thank you so much for this. And Terry's been having a D's rash and asked if I would like it and I said yes. People send this because they're kind, they enjoy my tutorials. When they make blankets and things from my channel, they're really happy with it and it's their way of saying thank you. Thank you so much, Terry. I really appreciate this. So I'm going to open this up. I'll get the lid off and then we can see what's in it. See if I can get that off without. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. She's done some squares for us. And now these are for charity. And my sister Sandra sews them all together and she gives them out to charity. Mostly it's for the elderly. These all get sewed together with other squares and they go to the elderly. It's absolutely, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. I love that yarn. Well done, Terry. That's lovely. And the box, I've still got the box to send to Sandra. I'll add these into it and Sandra will get them so that she can sit and crochet these all together for the pensioners that she does these for. Thank you so much. She really does appreciate the help for this little cause that she's got. I'll pop them aside. That is beautiful. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, tinsel yarn. Oh, look at that. Feels really strange. Yeah. Do you know what? It really is like tinsel, this. I got one of these before. It says it's 100% synthetic. It's 100 grams and it's by Harmony, but it is tinsel yarn. There's a lot in there as well. There's a lot in there you can get in. That's beautiful. Now I'm going to do, I've got some half circles. I've got some polystyrene circles, and with the tinsel yarn I'm going to wrap it around it and make a wreath, and I need to put other little decorations on it for my front door for Christmas, and that's really going to help. This is brilliant, Terry. Thank you so much. I love the colour of that. That colour is absolutely beautiful. A lot of people don't like the feel of this, but I do. I do. I like the feel of it. It's really nice. Now you can make toys with this tinsel stuff as well. Even if you Google it, if you go into Google and put crochet with tinsel yarn, it comes up. There's lots of things you can use this for. You can use it if you knit as well. You can use this around hats and around the cuffs of sleeves on little fun jackets and things as well. They make lovely scarves if you like the feel of it. Some people don't like the feel of it. I'll pop that down there. Look at that. A Karen £1 cake. I see them on channels from the USA. This is lovely. Oh, I like that. That's really nice for crocheting things. This is lovely for shawls and things. It's got little sequins, and if you're looking for something to do that's really pretty, if you're going on a night out, not with the pandemic that there's that many places left to go on a night out. At this time of year, everyone was working out their Christmas nights out and all that kind of thing, especially in the UK. It's a really big thing doing a works Christmas night out or having a night out with your friends and all getting jollied up for Christmas. Now that would make a really pretty shawl. I have got another one of those. I've got some more of that one as well. I've got 1 or 2 balls of that one. This is so pretty. Look at all those lovely little candy colours. I need to get a really small hook for that. I don't know what the smallest hook is I've got. I need to get a really small hook for that. That is really thin. You can double it up. I'm sure I've got another one of these and I can actually crochet the 2 strands at the same time. And oh, I've got an idea for this. That is brilliant, Terry. Thank you so much. I'll pop that down there. And oh, I like that. That is lovely. I love the colours in that. Look at the colours in that. That is so pretty. Now, this is 100% acrylic. It says, it just says it's knitting yarn. 100 grams, soft high quality, washing instructions, your drying instructions. That doesn't tell you what size to hook to use with it. I would just use a normal size hook with it. This is so pretty, and it's showing you that you can get it in different colours as well. That's lovely. I really like that. And oh my goodness, look! Oh, look what you, Terry! Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. It's a key ring. Pop that there, and it's got an A on it. It's got my initials on it, and it's got a beautiful little gemstone. And it's got a little ball of yarn. Look at that. Terry, thank you so much. That's so pretty. My goodness, that was a surprise. That was really lovely. Thank you so much. Do you know I'm going to put that on my handbag? I'm going to put that on my handbag. I know you can use these for stitch markers as well. That's fabulous. Thank you so, so much. That's so, oh, you get a little bag. Motley's dancing around my feet down there. He's like, what you got? What you got? That is so, so pretty. I really, really like that. I really do. That is so pretty. Yes, I can. You do. Do you like that as well? Can you Motley down there? That's pretty. That's like t-shirt yarn. It's like t-shirt yarn. That is so nice. Could do some little baskets and things with this kind of stuff. It's really pretty. It says Fashion Summer Rico. It's a 50-gram ball, but there's another one that's in there. And don't worry if you're doing a day stash. Don't worry for a minute that if you send anything like this, I've got a roll winder and I can rewind it and it will get used. And that pretty one, I'll put that there. Oh, you want the box? Oh, I see you, Muttley. I see you. Do you want to come up and say hello to people? So we'll move back to the yarn. Terry, that is a beautiful surprise. Thank you so much. And this is a ball of, oh, it's a red heart one. I'll give you the box in a minute. So I'm going to just hurry along a little bit with this one. This is so, it's a wrap. It says it's huge. Look at those greys and that lovely cream. But he's really dancing there. I see you. I see you. Do you want up? Hey, come on in. Jump. Jump up you get. Are you having a look in the box? Are you having a look? Your ball's not in the box. It's not there. It's not there. He can have the box to play with. He puts his toys in it and then just rips it to pieces. It's great. He gets his little happy meal by getting the box with it. This is so pretty. It's 50% acrylic and 50% cotton. He's not leaving me alone. It's 150 grams. That is so, so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm going to hurry just along a little bit so Muttley can get this box. That is amazing. Look at the size of that. That is so pretty. That is lovely. It's 100% acrylic. It's 16 ounces. That's 453.6 grams. That's amazing. That is going to make a super blanket or something like that. That is beautiful. You can make really big, lovely blankets and throws with these. They're amazing. Thank you very, very much, Terry. This is amazing. Thank you so, so much. Thank you for the yarn. I'll put all these together and we'll work something out that we can make with this. Now, if you've got any of this, it's like a sort of t-shirt type yarn. It's like a little crochet tubing, really. But if you use a small hook, it can become quite dense to crochet with. So it's wonderful for doing baskets and table mats and things like that. I might do some table mats. I haven't done any table mats of that for quite a long while. I'll find something to do with it. So don't worry at all, even if it ends up with granny squares, done with granny squares in it. And do you know what? There's not a lot of people do things like granny squares and that with this. I think I might just do something in the lines of a granny square. I've got an idea. I want to show you something that I've been working on. Now I've been working on this. This is a triangle. Look at that, it is so pretty. So I've got this big triangle like this as a shawl. I've got another half ball still to work into this, and it's really, really pretty. It's really pretty. And I'm going to show you how to do this anyway. And it's a lovely shape. But this is just so pretty anyway. I thought I would show you that. So this is going to get uploaded after I've done this Happy Mail one, because I've still got a little bit to work on this, and it's really pretty, and it's a triangle shape. Oh, there you go. Look, you can just fold it in half, and you can have that end hanging down, and it'll be wide enough to go right out. Look how stretchy it is. It'll be wide enough to go right around your shoulders. It's really pretty, really, really pretty. So I'll pop that back over there. So anyway, Terry, thank you so much. I'm going to empty this out and give Muttley the box to play with, and then I'm going to attach. What did I do with it? I'm going to attach my little gift to my handbag. I'll attach it to. I can put it on my phone actually. I can put that through the. I'm sure there's a little loop on my phone. I can put that on. It's really pretty. Thank you so much. Do you know, I don't think I've actually got anything with my initials on it. I don't have anything with my initials on it. That is so pretty. Look at that. Thank you so much, Terry. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm going to say what I say every single time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click on the subscribe button. And if you want notified when I put up another tutorial, then click on the bell icon. So until the next time, Terry, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. Until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.